Hey, where's that sweet music coming from? You're right, it's guitar. But how is the sound made by just vibrating string on a wooden box? And where do they come from? Well, it's a long history. The guitar is a plucked stringed musical instrument that probably originated in Spain early in the 16th century, deriving from the guitarra latina, a late medieval instrument with a waisted body and strings. The early 15th and 16th centuries guitar was narrower and deeper than the modern guitar, with a less pronounced waist. 16th century's guitar originally had 4 courses of strings, ran from a violin-like pegbox to a tension bridge glued to the soundboard, or belly. By the 17th century, the guitar becomes popular in everyone's drawing rooms, but remained an amateur's instrument till the early 19th century. By the 18th century, the guitar loses its violin-type pegbox to a flat body, and the early tied-on-gut frets were replaced by built-on ivory or metal frets. The 19th century guitar body also underwent changes that resulted in increased sonority. It became broader and shallower, with an extremely thin soundboard. The 19th century innovations were mostly the work of Antonio Torres. The instrument that resulted was the classical guitar. The 20th century changes the classical guitar to a prominent electric concert instrument. Like other old guitars which produce sound by providing the tension on the string, this modern electric instrument's sound and tone depend almost entirely on the electronic detection and amplification of its vibrating strings. Well, whatever the changes are made, the guitar is widely played in the folk and popular music of many countries. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and comment to inspire us to make more videos.